My ABA boys don't take no shit. That's why every time we beat the shit out the police. Count all the guys in the industry and tell me how many of them are better than me. Nwa Aba, 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 oh Aba, Nwa Aba, 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 oh Aba. One day me and
Uncle Julius, you don't need to clap for somebody. Pride have started entering you. Kora maka, you know? Atalama. Be careful. I'm watching you in this town. There's problem. We are leaving Aba gradually, and we are entering. Very soon, phone will start losing in show like this. Like this town. Actually, everything you heard about Aba is true. So, we are entering. There's problem back home. Your governor is trying now. It's like Wike is building this flyover on Mood Swing. If you just stay small, commissioner for work, I'll build flyover. They'll say it's a lie. Julius Berger, short na room okoro, short na room ibekwe, short na room oduma. You be like say, you know, when you go to Lagos, you have child upbringing. Children are brought up in Lagos. Come to Abuja, you have child training. Children are trained. Port Harcourt, we have child grooming. Delta State, we have child raising. On the matter, in Aba, the commercial hub of the Southeast, I want a child rearing. I was reared in Obohil, Aba. Unukuladan. We are 6 pieces in our family. 2 boys and 4 girls. Aba, you know, somebody say, why you carrying? Let's begin to open up. We are family now. Let's start telling each other the truth. Anybody carrying bag, steady in Port Harcourt, has accommodation challenges. If you open this thing, you will see both sponge, stove. It's kerosene I'm looking for now. No, anybody with this kind of bag. That's why we thank God for people like Mayor of Housing that has come to help us in this town. Accommodation is a challenge. River State, you have room okoro, room ibekwe, room otomanya, room. Still no accommodation. Room. What kind of? You know, I entered this town 17th October 2010, not with clear eyes. Our relation in Aba called Osisi Kanku. He pursued us, and that's how I landed. And this town, you don't rush into Port Harcourt. You move according to your destiny. If you get work, some of you have not been through anything. Nobody planned, no normal human being just born a child, say we'll be a comedian. No, we had dreams. I wanted to be a microbiology. Today I'm holding microphone. My senior brother, that one said he'll be a pharmacist. He's a farmer now in Obohil. Then my younger sister, Mimi, Mimi, that one said she will do marine biology. As we speak, you have marine spirit. Still in